Hey guys, I am Ashish and in this video we are going to cover one more question of data sufficiency from the exam GMAT. The topic of the question is algebra and the level of the question is sub 600 level. What question says? Question says during a 6-day local trade show, the least number of people registered in a single day was 80. That means in 6 days at least 80 people joined every day. Was the average number of people registered per day for the 6 days greater than 90? That means they are asking that whether the average is 90 per day or not. So if the average is 90 per day, then it should be 19 to 6, 540 number of students. Now they are asking was the average number of people registered per day for the 6 days greater than 90. That means they are asking whether the total number of people registered for 6 days was more than 540 or not. Okay. So according to first statement, for the first 4 days, with the greatest number of people registered, the average number of registered per day was 100. For the 4 days, the average number of people registered was 100. Okay, so if it is 100, that means 100 into 4, 400 people joined the show that day, those 4 days, and remaining 2 days it was the average was at least 80. So it is total 560. That means according to first statement we can say that yes, the total number of people who joined the session was more than 540 and the average was more than 90. So we can get the answer from the first statement. Now moving to the second statement. What second statement says, for the 3 days with smallest number of people registered, the average number registered per day was 85. For those 3 days when the average was least, the smallest number of people registered and the average was 85 in that case. So 85 into 3 is equal to how much? 255. This is for those 3 days when the registration was minimum. Okay, so that means for the other 3 days the registration was more than 85. So it could be 86 or it could be more than 86. It could be anything more than 86 or 85, you can see. So let us suppose that other 3 days the average was 86. So 86 into 3 was 258. So total number of students or people joined that those 6 days was 8 plus 3 is equal to 3, 8 plus 5 is equal to 3, 1, 1, and here it is 5, 1, 3. That means in this scenario the average was less than 90 because the total number of people registered was more than less than 540. So if suppose it is more than 100, so it could be, let us suppose it is 1000 because we have not the limit was not given for the maximum. So we can suppose anything. So 1000 into 3 is 3000, which is more than 540. So the average can be more than 90. Okay, that means from 2 we are getting both the answer that the average is more than 90 or average is less than 90. So we are not getting answer from the second statement, we are just getting answer from the first statement, and in this case your answer will be A, that first alone is sufficient to answer the question but second alone is not sufficient to answer the question. I hope it is clear to you. So thank you very much, and if you like my videos you can share it with your friends and you can also subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye bye.